Auntie Abiba is going to kill herself.
What? What's up with this secret conference?
What did you tell them?
Eh?
They're looking for Mom, right?
So?
Trouble. She said she doesn't want to see anybody.
What is this woman up to?
Just a week ago, everything was fine. We were even preparing for our wedding. And now she doesn't want to see me anymore. I don't even know where she is now. What? Abiba? At the hospital?
Can she give her direction?
I thought you were my
You say what? Can we give her direction? Then let's move immediately, please.
Atiemo? Yes, sir. Go to the chop bar, buy some food, and find out all you can about the people living in the house.
Okay, I'll be
Madam Grace, you are under arrest for assault and battery.
I'll be here.
You have the right to remain silent, for anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Who is your sister? We are the company. Me do the free tamale. Don't come here. But you need to go when it's slow. Yeah, but I am crack.
Somebody tell me, why is it so important to disinfect a comb, scissors, such like from one customer to the other?
It is not about the length or the breadth of the prayer. It is about the sincerity of the heart.
Sadia, madam, put the next coffee there. You're not saying? Three. Won't you wipe it? Put off the radio so you hear what I'm saying. And also say I said. Hello, welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Please, how may we be of service to you?
Well, I'd like to buy a lot of items for a very special occasion.
Sadia, please, I'll be with you shortly. Yes.
Please put them all in one polythene bag.
All right, madam. Thank you. Sadia, let's you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Well, my name is Abiba. Everybody in this neighborhood calls me Abby.
I'm Stacy.
Do you live around?
Not too far.
Oh, okay. I hope you'll be coming here often.
Definitely.
I like your bag.
Oh, thank you.
Sadia, you're fast.
Thanks, how much?
Please, you have to give me a second. I would have to calculate this.
Okay.
Bag, you're 25. It's down with the mama.
Madam,
Sadia,
Madam.
25 Ghana now. And
Okay.
Mama, no way.
Madam, she was here a while ago.
Sadia!
I bind in the name of Jesus. I bind in the name of Jesus. Every foul spirit that has been sent to attack my sister, in the name of Jesus, I bind, I bomb you. I bomb you in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus, I break in the name of Jesus. Jesus, precious Jesus, oh, for grace to trust you more, oh, for grace to trust you. Good evening, my sister.
Can I help you?
Not really.
So why this unwanted visit?
Relax, my sister. I know I am not welcomed in here, but the good Lord has sent me to deliver a very important message to you.
Hey, you still have the nerves to mention God's name. Now, when you have a power, which God are you talking about? Is it the same God that used to give you information through Kwame Danger? Or is a new God you yet to introduce me to?
I am talking of the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob, the one who created all things. The Ehir, which means I am that I am.
Hey, Bibi, you're wrong. Taffy!
Abiba!
Osofo,
Abiba, you have Christ.
you're careful. See, if you joke with me, I'll pour this hot coffee into your face. You blasphemer.
Abiba, if pouring a cup of coffee or a bucket of coffee or better still, a barrel of coffee on my very fair face is what will recompense you of my sin and make you give ear to this important message I have for you, then please do not hesitate. Just go ahead. For the cross that I carry is a very heavy one.
Osofo.
I had a dream. God revealed a misfortune that is about to befall you in a dream to me, my sister. In this dream, a very beautiful woman, Oba Obosipa, came to your shop and she was pointing. She bought almost everything in your shop. She points and you hop and pick. She points, you hop and pick, hopping here and there. And after she was done, as you were calculating her bill for her, she just vanished out of your sight in a swoosh. Yes. Just like that.
Osofo.
As if that was not enough, my sister. The car she came with drove away. Vroom! Just like that. Driverless.
Osofo.
Driverless.
Wait, let me ask you something. Were you also part of her planning the dream?
Verily, verily, I say unto you, I was not a party in the dream. God only borrowed my eyes for the dream.
I should thank God then. I was a manager. Because it's only you and your gang that knows how to dupe me.
Abiba, God works in mysterious ways. I might have been here to dupe you yesterday, but today I am here to save you. Yes, my sister. You know what? Just let me lay hands and pray for you to deliver.
If you put this your filthy hands of yours on me, or so for whatever you call yourself. Hey, respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself. Don't even try me. Pray for who?
Calm down, my sister. Just calm down. Play me low. My sister.
Ah! Who is your sister? We are the company. And I saw we are telling you. Me no free tamale. Don't call me your sister.
The blessings of God is a free gift. And they that receive it must so do receive out of their own free will.
Leave! I don't like that, Osofo.
Calm down, my sister. I will go. I will leave.
Leave.
But watch and pray. For the devil is lurking at your door, seeking whom to devour. Watch and pray, my sister. Watch and pray. Just watch and pray, my sister. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust you, how I prove.
Great. Bah, a rib. Lady for one, I don't mean Antiana. And I say, I'm a size for Bremie.
Send the girls need power or the bow. Hey,
I want to buy everything in that shop.
There's a condition. But you need me to mouth for free. But you have to be my best friend. Oh, forever.
That is the least I can do to own that shop.
But guys, Chayo, you look so excited. Why did you see an angel on your way back here?
Yes, I saw an angel, but not on my way here, but right in my house.
Tell me.
Abiba.
Yes.
Kofi Simpson has changed so much that I find it difficult to believe. He's almost like a lamb now.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, God has been so good to me through the prayers of Osofo.
Which Osofo?
Oh, Osofo Josephus, of course.
Don't even mention that name here. Ote.
Hey, look, Abiba, if you don't believe in him, I do. I'm benefiting from his prayers. Look, before he came into my life, my marriage was in shambles. But now, I have my husband every night. What else can I do?
Whatever, Grace. You know that man had the guts to come into my shop. Was it somewhere last week that he had a dream or a vision? Almost poured hot coffee into his face.
Sacrilege! He's a man of God.
Hey, don't get me angry. Mebao.
Ah, that's Adienio. Hey, Wait. Abiba, what vision did Osofo have?
Auntie Grace, he had a dream that a nicely dressed woman came into my shop with a nice car to buy a lot of items. And just when I was calculating the items, the woman disappeared with the items.
Jesus! This is a demonic visitation from the pit of hell. And what did you do?
Who? Me?
Yes, of course.
And can you imagine? He actually wanted to pray for me. Hey, Mr. Payne, one time.
Hey, Abiba! So you didn't allow Osofo to cast away the demons that are planning to attack you?
No demon is planning anything against me.
Oh, Abiba, you need to fast and pray to avert any misfortune the enemies are planning against you. Hey!
Over a false prophecy.
Hey, Abiba, I swear to you.
Mama Sonia Ding.
Yo. You. Hey, hello, sweetie.
Hello, honey pie.
Hello, sweetie. How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm just missing you. And I thought you should join me here.
Really? Where are you?
Osu food court.
Okay.
You know what? Fly over and join me here.
I'll be right there.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Abiba, I have to go.
Hey, Grace, what skills, Papa? You behave as if a lion is about to eat him up.
Hey, we know they are two jackpot.
So, get me a packet. Come there, dinner.
Rest assured. Usrana. May you show. I mean, come bra.
Grace, bye you. Mr. Damudenangla, Jim Solo. Money, Sadia, I do milk snack. Mr. Damune, 2 cartons, Cadicho. Oh, but Jim so goes down now. Milk mama na dinner biryani. Okay. Miss Adam, check and pull her bag. Hello, madam. Welcome.
Thank you.
Please, how may we be of service to you?
Well, I run an NGO and I want to donate some things to an SOS, so I'm just here to get some few things for that.
Wow, you're kind. Madam, please, which one of them?
All of that.
You mean everything? Oh, okay. Please have a seat. I'll be with you shortly.
Oh, no, thank you. I've been sitting all morning. I'll just wait.
Can I get you something to drink? At least to quench your thirst.
That's good customer service.
That's what we do here.
Any soft drink, OJ?
Any soft drink. Okay. Be with you shortly. Okay, ma.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, so I'll just be with you.
Hello, Grace. Sweetie pie. Sorry, honey.
Hey, Kofi. So you couldn't even wait for me? Hey? You?
After I finished talking to you, I had a call from a business partner. He says I should meet him in 30 minutes time for a deal. Laja, Kudi, Suga.
Oh, his spots are dates.
Oh, don't worry. Listen, I would make it up to you this evening.
Are you sure?
This evening, trust me. I will do it.
Hey, Kofi.
You know, let me order a takeaway for you, okay? So that I can take it away.
Okay.
Waiter!
Hey,
take away, please.
Kofi, you're so sweet. Hey, Kofi.
Oh,
So you
Grace,
can be this sweet.
I'm always sweet. You, sorry, let me hold you back.
Okay.
Why don't I drop you quickly and then from there I'll rush to see the people?
Oh, no, don't worry. I'll get a taxi.
Are you sure? Yeah. Well, if you insist, I mean, let me get you a taxi.
Oh, you're so sweet.
I mean, great. Let me get you a taxi. Let me get you a taxi.
My money paper with me. Lady.
Madam, please, everything will be 2,200 Ghana cedis.
Is that all?
Yes, please. Please, this is 2,300.
Yes, let her keep the 100. I really like your service.
Thank you very much, madam.
You're welcome. You can keep my card.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Driver, by chance, have you seen any pets there?
No, madam.
Oh, I guess I left it at the restaurant where you picked me. Could you please make a U-turn? Driver, yeah, U-turn. Na, me confirm me pets. Yeah, ready.
Madam.
Hey! Hey!
Is my tea ready?
Which tea? It's not just your tea that is ready. In fact, Usikana is ready. Me no kase, met me a 1 week sika. Right now.
I see. Did it rain money here today?
Said you've registered already.
Yeah.
Okay, have it. This makes it easier. Right now, all that I have to do is take your MTN number, repeat your number, the amount you want to transact, my user ID, and my MTN mobile money pin.
Okay.
The system will automatically debit me and credit you. Then you have a confirmation message.
Okay.
You understand everything? Okay, so madam, how much do you want to load?
100 Ghana.
100 Ghana.
Oh, I forgot. You now have the blessing of the MTN mobile money service.
Yes. And guess what? Now Sadia calls herself the electronic banker. She serves all day.
All through the magic of the MTN mobile money service. Perhaps the most important service you can ever get at present.
Of course. Info. And yes, you can see at all how God sends a customer straight down from heaven to the shop today.
Oh, Then make your contribution.
What are you talking about?
Fast.
Cash. I'm paying everything.
You are shocking me.
Abiba. Running in our grammar. 1 week there. I told you. Okay. Hey, this lady. Ifo. Why is anything the matter? Edian skills now we sika kakra obe just so. Ifo so the one.
The note is counterfeit.
Sadia?
Yes.
What's the day?
It is counterfeit.
Sadia, come and listen to me. Mama, I show cry to me.
This note is a counterfeit.
You're my baby, yo. Got me that. Hey, my mama tell me, make I not fall in love with this girl again. But I know mine. I just say, man, what kind of DNA? My mama tell me, make I not fall in love with this girl again. But I know mine. I just say, man, what kind of DNA? Because say I love this girl, oh. That's why she dey black up my head, oh. Anything what you do, I no send, oh. Because say I love you, this girl, oh. That's why you dey block up my head, oh. Anything what you do, I no send, oh. Mama.
When it's tight on me, show the way when it's tight on me. When it's tight on me, mirror me, tight on me. When it's tight on me, show the way when it's tight on me. When it's tight on me, mirror me, tight on me. She done pushing on me, everywhere I go, she done pushing on me. She done pushing on me. Everywhere I go, she done pushing on me. The girl won't pull me down, make her go down. Never, I'm physically fit. Walk on the street, sexy ladies, then be too bad.